Hey, good morning. Thanks for streaming with us. We really appreciate it. What a beautiful day. I mean, we've got lots of sunshine out there. Absolutely gorgeous day. Temperatures will top out at around 70. Now, this morning was a little chilly, okay, but we'll talk more about the forecast coming up. As you can see, I've got my Christmas Day forecast, and around Christmas Day, that Christmas weekend, weather's going to be rather changeable, kind of an unstable pattern. So I may have to work on this Christmas Day forecast, but this is the way I see it coming together right now. Christmas Eve, we're going to have a Pacific frontal boundary that slides in. Timing is going to be everything. If it comes in the afternoon, I think there's a chance we could see a few thunderstorms with that frontal boundary, high at about 74, so a little bit above average for Christmas Eve. And then a more of a continental air mass kind of comes in for Christmas Day, and I think it'll be cooler, mainly in the 50s, lots of cloud cover, maybe one of those days where we just don't see much sun at all, and also a chance for some showers, but definitely not going to be as cold as it was last year. If you remember last year, low was 22 and the high was only 50, so it was a real chilly Christmas Day, no doubt about that. All right, let's see. This is what I'm expecting for today. Beautiful blue skies. Temperature right now, 61. We started off at 41. So let's say in the last 4 hours or so, maybe even 3 hours, well, about 3.5 hours, we've warmed up from 41 to 61, 20 degrees. That's a pretty fast warm up. It's dry out there and we've got wall-to-wall sun. You know, this time of the year we could have some pretty low records. Record low is 22, set back in 1996. Record high, 81, set back in 1955. And I want to say hi to Dave. Dave, how are you doing today? I haven't talked to you in a while. Hopefully you're doing well. Always on these streaming things. All right, so here's what you can expect. Again, lots of sun, high at about 70. Once the sun goes down, it starts to cool off pretty rapidly because we've got dry air in place, and I'm expecting also some clouds to start moving in overhead as well. Looking at the temperatures across the area, we're sitting at 61, New Braunfels 61, Uvalde 64, Hallettsville 62, Fredericksburg still in the upper 50s at 58. Here's the surface map. You know, I could roll this back. And let's start off here. This morning, our low was 41, but you can kind of tell this is kind of close to the lows at about 6, 7 o'clock this morning. Eagle Pass was down to 39. But look at that rapid warm up. Matter of fact, we don't have the 11 o'clock obs on here yet, but we're getting in the mid 60s right now. We're really starting to warm up. Okay, and notice that there's really not much happening. We've got high pressure in place from Kansas, just kind of nosing into the state. Winds are light out there, not too strong, and it's just going to be a gorgeous day. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the nation, what's going on. I know a lot of folks are traveling, so let's take a look at that. I'm expecting a high today, pretty close to 70. But if you're taking a trip out to, let's say, Northern California, Oregon, Washington State, rather wet there. Northern portions of the U.S. up around the Great Lakes, it's in the 20s. The highs today will be in the 20s. Up there in Chicago and Minneapolis, St. Paul with some snow, and the deep south looking really good and dry. So it's just a kind of idea if you're traveling this afternoon what you might expect. Whenever we have an upper level ridge, that upside down U in the mid and upper levels, that is always going to bring us nice weather, and that's exactly what we're seeing. But notice what happens out west. We've got a big low that's out there in the Pacific, and notice how our flow starts coming out of the southwest in the mid and upper levels, and that will bring in Pacific moisture. That'll bring in some cloud cover. In response, our winds will come out of the south at the surface. Moisture will increase, and I think we'll have a chance for some showers by Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Christmas Eve. There's that Pacific front, bam, right there. That's why I think we could have a few thunderstorms on Sunday. That moves through. And then in the wake of that on Christmas Day, we got another disturbance. And again, there's a lot of moving parts here. And this is just one computer model. Some of the other ones don't have exactly like this. And so that's what I'm saying. That Christmas Day forecast, I kind of, in my mind, put several models together and what I thought would happen. And so at this point, I think mostly cloudy and just cool. That'd probably be the best thing I could say about Christmas Day. Cool and cloudy for the most part, and a chance for showers. That's the way it looks to me, but that's very fluid, could change. David says, Vesta Quicksand Factory, but yesterday the deal, you know, Dave's always got a joke here. Invested in a quicksand factory, but yesterday the deal fell through. pretty good, David. I got it. I got a laugh from over here. I got to admit that's pretty good, David. Okay, temperatures today topping out at 70. Tomorrow morning, look at the high clouds rolling in. We're going to have more clouds tomorrow. You know, it's not going to be a cloudy day, I don't think. I think it's going to be more of a partly cloudy day. There's going to be high clouds, but you'll definitely notice them tomorrow. We'll start off pretty chilly in the 40s tomorrow, and high temperatures, I think, will be in the upper 60s, probably won't hit 70. And then as we head into Wednesday, I think we'll have even more cloud cover and maybe a chance for a sprinkle, especially in the morning on Wednesday. So let's get to the 7-day. Let's see. Yeah, let's get to the 7-day because I didn't update the pollen count. But there is a little cedar in there, cedar and mold. All right, so as we head through the day, today 70, tomorrow more clouds, partly cloudy is what we'll call it, high at about 68. Wednesday morning could have a little drizzle, otherwise mostly cloudy, 69 for a high. Thursday, 30% chance of rain, morning drizzle, kind of drippy Thursday morning. We break out of it, mostly cloudy, high at about 70. 60% chance of rain and clouds on Friday. And then Saturday, 30% chance of showers. Not going to rain all day, but a chance for showers, mostly cloudy skies. Christmas Eve, here comes our Pacific front, 74 for a high, 40% chance of showers, even some thunderstorms. And at this point for Christmas Day, we'll just call it clouds, cooler, cloudy, and a chance for some showers for Christmas Day. Could even be really breezy on Christmas Day as well. All right. Well, thanks for streaming with us again. And David, thanks for the quicksand joke. That was a good one. I've got to do the noon show, but make sure and watch us for noon, 4, 5, 6, and 10. And I'll be back tomorrow morning. All right. Again, thanks so much and enjoy the sun, get out the sunglasses and have a great day. All right. We'll see you later.